So hi everyone, I am Kayyum and in this video we will learn about that how to get DDL, DML and TCL or grant and revoke command using select statement from Oracle database. So for this we will going to use some of the symbols operators say how to get ready-made DDL, TCL, GC, DML commands using select query. Okay, so for this we will going to use note some operators like these are operators. Okay, so this will be very helpful for getting the ready-made DDL, TCL, GC, DML commands using select query. Okay, so for example let me show you one of the command like select uh, grant read on, then this here we will say table name. Okay, then two here we will mention our username. Okay, so for example I'm taking Scott as a username, and when this is complete, okay, so this what we want from the select query. So we want grant query using the select query, then we will state from, then dba tables. Okay, dba tables, and now I just want the just here in the where clause I will mention our number of rows for the I want the query, okay, to be executed. And here you can see that we are getting the ready-made grant statement, grant query from using the select query. Okay, so here we are getting like grant read on ts table to Scott. Okay, grant read on. So this is how we can get ready-made statements, statements from the select query using this operator. Okay, or operator. So actually this will concatenate the statements. Okay, so here you can see that for example you can assume it as a string. Okay, and this string will concatenate the real column from the dba tables views. Okay, so I'm taking table name here because we want to grant read permission on each of these tables, and we want this grant to be given to Scott. That's why we are taking table name. Okay, you can take any kind of column name. For example I can describe you here dba tables. Okay, so you can see that these are the columns, okay, available in the dba tables views. Okay, so you can use any of the following columns to give a grant as per the use. Similarly we will use it now. Right now let me clear the screen. uh, Similarly if you want to revoke a read on, okay, here we will mention first of all owner, then dot, then again here table name. Okay, right, then revoke from Scott. Okay, here we will show Scott. Okay, right now, then from db tables. Okay, and here in the where clause we will mention that we just want to show only 5 euros, okay, in order to get it. So here you can see that, okay. So for example, you can see here, using this we are getting the readymade revoke command, okay. So after getting this, you can execute each of it. If you already had granted the read permission to the Scott, so you can revoke it, okay. So let me explain the query first. Here we are selecting owner and table column, okay, table name column. Here we are actually querying owner and table column from db tables views, okay. And in that, in the form of string, what we want that in the form of string, it will give us the string in this form, that revoke read on, then the owners, okay, the owners of the tables from this db tables, okay, views will be came here at this place, and this will concatenate, or say it will connect with the dot, and this the dot also connect with the table name, okay. So whatever tables are there from the db tables view, we will get them here, okay. So first we will get owner, then dot, then table name, and after it we will complete our string by saying that we want to revoke the read on command, read on permission from the Scott, okay, Scott user. Previously we had given a read on permission to the Scott, and now we are revoking it. So for that, we can say that these are only strings, okay, these are not actually taking part in the select query, okay. These are actually these are strings, and these are not taking actual part in the select query. We just want to add the owner and table name with these strings, that's why we are taking it. And after it we can get the so now in this now in the next example we will going to see that how to get a ready-made, okay, how to get a ready-made query for the DDL statement, okay. So for example, I will tell you that first of all we will make select, then in this for example we want to alter, okay, alter a database, right, then data file, okay, or data file, okay, then here mention three single quotes, okay, then here we will mention the file name, okay, right, alter database data file, then three, and now here we will mention again three. So now here we will mention resize, let's say 20 GB, okay, we want to resize them 20 GB, okay, done. So this has been done. Now let query it from the dba data files, okay, where we just want the result up to 5 euros, okay. So for that we are getting this. So now you can see that on the screen, you can see that we are getting the readymade statement for alter command, and alter is a command from DDL, okay, data definition language, okay, DDL. So in this way we can use DDL select query for getting the readymade DDL statements, okay. So here you can see, and you can copy it and paste it, and resize the file size, okay. So here alter database data file, then file name, again then resize 20 GB, okay. So in this way you can do it, right. So this has been done. Now let's say, so in this way we can do use of queries, okay.